Hey guys, this is Franz and today we are going to review this Keychron's K2V2 hot-swappable mechanical keyboard that's best for Mac users. So I bought this from Shopee. The link is on the description below for 3,547 pesos. And the original price of this is 4,490 pesos. And I just got a huge discount because of the vouchers I had. And it also comes with 1-year warranty from the store Keychron Philippines. So let's see what's inside the box. But as you can see, I already unboxed this to check everything if working properly and complete. So, tara! So, inside the box are a diagram of the keys, the manual that comes in English and Chinese, the keyboard itself with its plastic dust cover, extra keycaps for Windows users, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, and the keycap puller. So it has a plastic frame, 313 by 123 mm with 84 keys or 75% layout. This version is hot swappable, so you can choose between blue, red, or brown Keychron switches. I picked the brown because it's not too clicky and not too soft, good for midway gaming and work purposes. And it comes with a 2-level stand or feet. For the lighting, this version has a white backlight with 15 light effects to choose from. So you can pair this with Windows, Android, or Mac iOS by switching on the side. The other switch is for Bluetooth connection if you want to go wireless, the on and off, and the wired if you're going to connect via cable. As for the battery, it has a capacity of 4,000 mAh, lasting up to 4 weeks if your backlight is turned off. So I am using 3 different devices from my iMac to iPad, and at first, I did struggle a bit connecting these to all of my devices, but after a second try, I successfully paired K2 to the MacBook Air and iPad. So as for this demo, you can see that I connect this to my iPad. So I used Apple's Magic Keyboard ever since I bought this iMac, and I'm using it for years now. And to be honest, I really love Apple's Magic Keyboard because it's super thin, it's white, and sleek, and works perfectly on my setup. But maybe because of the hype nowadays of this mechanical keyboard, and of course, Keychron's works perfectly for Mac users like me. Anyway, I'm happy with this so far, and super satisfying yung clicky sounds. And of course, I'm super happy as well because it has a Mac keycaps that I never had any adjustments, like with the other mechanical keyboards that has no keycaps and you will buy it separately. Although I need to use a wrist rest to avoid any discomfort on my wrist because the Keychron's it's kind of elevated compared to the Apple's Magic Keyboard. That's why I purchased this pillow Fantech ergonomic wrist pad. So ganito siya. So it's soft but it's not really the exact dimension compared with the other customized wrist pad. Pero it works na din. And it's super cheap. It's around 200 to 300 pesos that I bought from Lazada. So that's it for the review of this Keychron K2V2 mechanical keyboard. And if you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments down below. And of course, smash the like button if you like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech and product review. So see you again soon. Bye!